What's the vibes, y'all? We're at Odd by Nature Brewing in Cape Nettic, Maine. Keep it funky beer and dank reviews coming back at you. What's everybody sipping on tonight? What's everybody smoking tonight? What's the vibes? Tonight we have Mario's lesser known third brother. This artwork is off the chain. Look at those mushrooms popping out. Let's keep chill, homie. That's awesome. Got a nice like straw yellow color. Beautiful glass. Hope they have these for sale. It's got a nice half finger head. Hashtag clear beer. Let's get a nose. Get like banana clove, toasted bread, baked bread, little biscuity malt. Cheers, y'all. Very clean, refreshing. A little floral lemongrass, lime zest, pine needles, a little oaky. Cheers, y'all. Get me in the comments. Has anybody had Mario's lesser known third brother Italian Pilsner coming at 4.8%? Let's talk about it. If anybody else wants to see some other beer reviews, DM, Instagram, Discord, link trees in the bio. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. As always, keep it funky, keep it real, keep it dank, keep it interesting. Till the next time, cheers.